Need to fix the boot resources DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the professional restoration of this core file. Before starting the manual troubleshooting for boot resources, you can access a utility to help standardize your system references. This DLL file is the Windows Boot Resource Library. It contains the graphical assets and localized strings displayed during the Windows startup process, including the boot logo and the initial system initialization text on PC. Now let's dive into the solution, starting with a standard reinstallation. The Boot Resources DLL is an essential component maintained directly by the operating system. To resolve this, run sfc/scan now from an administrator command prompt to perform a full integrity scan and repair any corrupted Windows binaries. In cases where the official installer remains ineffective, we must escalate to a manual review of your system's active runtime state. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the boot resources file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources. Keep in mind that the Boot Resources DLL must be properly registered with the Windows registry. Simply dragging and dropping the file into a folder rarely fixes the root cause of the error. To complement these security best practices, you may want to consider using a diagnostic resource to help manage your system's library references. To ensure your system configuration matches its capabilities, the repair resource below provides informational guidance on the boot resources. To keep the boot resources running with a stable configuration, subscribe to our channel and like this video to help us reach more users in need of support.